Yellow Crystal Human, day 12 of the wave of Red Dragon that we are in, and the penultimate day of the wave. There's 13 days in a wave, and this is the crystallization point. So after the dissolution and the liberation of the spectral energy, there is a crystallization of the next level of creation on the journey. And so on this journey of creation, which the Red Dragon wave represents, the journey of the Divine Mother birthing into form, the crystallization point is the birthing of humanity. And another aspect of this is that we are part of creation and we are also seeding creation. So we are seeded into the dream of the Mother for creation, for the creation of heaven on earth, and we are part of the seeding of heaven on earth. So in this wave of the Divine Mother, the message is union. So creation requires partnership, the unification of things. So it's the masculine and feminine, it's the yin and the yang, and these things catalyze the birth of something else. And so Crystal Human speaks to the coming together and the cooperation of humanity. And it's obvious in procreation that two humans come together and create another human, but that's just one level that is representing the higher levels of that. So there's this consciousness coming together, there's matter and spirit coming together, there is the inner self and the higher self coming together, and this unification of the apparent disparate parts that will create a new reality. In this cosmology, human represents vessels of spirit. So we are here to bring into reality the dream of the Mother. We are part of her dream, and we dream within her to create the original intent for creation, which is heaven on earth, and we represent the pillars of the temple of heaven. So if we are aligned with our spiritual truth, and if we are aligned with the Divine Mother and with the original intent of creation, then we can bring that through. And the steps in this journey have been demonstrated in this particular wave. And so this coming back to ourselves, coming back to our true selves so that we can create from that place is the key. And then when we come together from that place of integration within ourselves, then we are able to create from a place of integration generally. So this is the key and the message, that we are here to crystallize the truth of why we are here and who we are, which is spiritual beings carrying the spiritual intent for creating heaven on earth, and crystallizing that, awakening the crystal grid within our being, within our consciousness, within our body, and connecting to that crystal grid within the earth that is encoded with the original intent for creation, so that we can experience it. And so the guide of the day is seed. And we are seeded into this reality, and we are seeding the future. And the message is to connect with the original intent and remember who you are.